Hi guys, what's up? So we are here at Clark International Airport. I am with Dandarara,
Ay!
Glenny and
Ay, 90 pesos.
napakainit guys. Sira yung, ay walang kuryente. Tas wala. Tempo Selly, sabi ko sa mo.
100 lang. At
Ah,
kayo
100.
nag-aaway.
Painom mo pa, danom mo, papagi mo yung ugali
Every
mo.
drop counts, literal.
Eh di sana bumili ka na lang ng coffee dyan, oh. 200 lang yung kape. Yan
Hindi
yun.
mo sure. Bilis na lang.
So we are here at the Clark International Airport. Wala kaming picture, wala kaming kahit ano kasi napakainit. Pawis na pawis kami. So, while waiting for our flight, chismisa muna kami here. See you later. We're going to...
Later.
Later. Mababasa. We're going to...
Itingin mo muna.
I am with the mga baliws.
Ay. Yung information.
Later.
Diba parang...
Uy, so busy sila. Uy, ako may papati ah. Ako may papati ah. Busy silang mag-book ng kung ano-ano. And look what I bought. Mango juice. Mas mura pa yun sa El Nido Islands. Friend, ano yung bubukyo?
Nami. Ay.
Parang payat mo dyan. Finally, after the delay. Kumusta ang delay? Delayed for an hour.
Yeah. Mas okay na madali dito sa
See you there. So we're here. We just landed. Let's go, guys. We're here. So we are here at the Incheon Airport. This is our first meal. My friend. Ano niyang bukulat niya? Bal mo inak may bias ng mga nonigiri.
Panin.
Ay, laman. Ay, malinak na naman.
Hindi naman. Paruwat sa inyo na.
Magkano to?
1,900? To 2,000 something.
Sa dagol
Akin
na.
to? Akin to, diba?
Makakain muna kami bago kami pumunta sa Dongdaemun. Correct?
Co-extra yun.
Eco-X pala.
Kasi 4 p.m. pa yung ano natin. Check-in.
Co-X muna pala kami. Okay. Very girl. So we are here at Daejeon Airport. We're going to the Co-X Mall via bus. So waiting for the bus. So madali lang naman. For 17,000 won ang pamasahe. So that is roughly 200?
700!
700 pesos. Let's go. So we are here. Ayan, Gangnam something. Woo! We're going to the station. Mag-check-in muna pala kami. So I am with
Walang tao mo kita.
yung navigator namin. Yung navigator
Sabi
namin.
ko sa inyo lahat tayo.
Ay, may role is taga-video. Bri, wait ah. Maliligaw ta na pero...
Oo nga, anong role mo? Ako taga-book, siya taga-navigate. Ano ka?
Ako lahat gumastos. Charot. So, this is the kamay of ganyan. So, mali pala kami ng way. Hanapin muna namin ang station. Let's go, let's go. So look at the sun, but it's not hot. Let's go guys, let's go, let's go. So we are here at the Singshuldong. Sulsyongdong.
Songso.
Shongsu, sorry. Basta papunta kami sa Yongdam. Yongdam?
Sinsol.
Sunshul. Basta papunta kami.
Iba-iba yung sinasabi.
At dito tayo ngayon sa Songso.
Songsu.
Tapos, yung...
Basta papunta kami sa hotel.
Sa Sinsholdong. Sinsholdong.
Waiting for the bullet train. What can you say, friend? We're finally here.
Ito lang masasabi ko.
What?
1,000 nursery.
Let's go. So we'll be eating here. Here are my friends. Nano, may ka-order niya. Nano.
Self-service kasi siya.
Self-service.
Siya man.
So guys, kakain kami ng samgyeopsal and there's a language barrier. So, but it's okay, mabait yung owner. Sabi lang namin na, 3 samgyeopsal? Oh, here are... We'll see if good. Look at the side dishes here. Ano yan? Sili talaga yan. This is our first meal. Thank you so much. Ooh, what's that? Kimchi.
Our favorite.
감사합니다. Ooh. First meal. That's it. Gutom na naman po sila, mga kababayan. Seryoso? Na naman sa luwan nyo?
Nanong ka ni Marcy?
May kayong adwa. Eko may yabe. So, we'll see kung anong kakainin ng mga baliw.
Wala ka rin kayo.
Are you okay?
May sinamot to.
Mayaman yun. It's good.
That is what drink.
Sa likod ng mga building na to, dito kami nag-stay. Bisaya pa ako nung kape. Teka. Grabe. Next time na ka magmakan. Charot. O sige na, go. Paload tapa pala. Let's go. Papaload muna kami ng pang bus and pang train. Here at 7-Eleven.
Papaload tayo, Iman.
Tara, let's go. So we are here at the Starfield Co-Ex Mall. Kung nasan yung sikat na library.
Napakita mo.
Wait. Eto siya guys. Ito napapasok na kami. So finally we're here. Tada! Co-Ex. Let's go. Ay, makadota talaga. I'll be trying this here.
Ano to?
I don't know.
Pakita mo muna.
Tikman ko muna yung fries.
Ito yung chicken.
Wow.
Pala. Ito yung chicken.
Ano ba yung lasa
Abla.
ng fries?
False daw yun. Anything doon.
Tapos,
May same lasa lang yung fries.
Bulgogi burger. The promotion na para siyang shawarma pero burger yung nasa loob.
Ano ba
And
talaga yung
then, kung ano yung excited nakaka-excite is the mac chicken mozzarella.
Ito po.
Oh, let's eat.
Ito mo na yung
Ay,
tray ko.
ito pa lang.
Dalawa na pala yung burger no?
Chicken.
Hindi, ito pa yung
Ano, wala. Mga tambal gabi.
Ano nga ang skin yun? Meron sa lettuce.
Kumitindihan.
Parang shawarma siya na ano.
Parang siyang shawarma wrap. Tapos patty.
Bakit naman, ano to? Ay ate, naka-ano siya. Ano ba to?
Yung ano niya tayo.
Ano naman yun? Hindi ba ito mo?
Nakaganto siya ate.
Yes? Take mo, ma'am. Masarap yung sweet and onion. It's yummers.
Paano ko kinakain?
Bakit mo?
Siguro ito yung mozzarella, tapos chicken.
Ano niya, ma'am?
Masarap yun.
This is bulgogi. Bulgogi, di ba? Nasa sweet side, kaya ayaw mo, no?
Ano yung
Gusto mo
nakain ko?
pang isang burger, order ka pa.
Okay.
Hindi nagsitispool yung ano.
Dapat pala nila namin. Dapat talaga. Hindi ko na yung nangyay ko. Sorry na.
Strawberry milkshake.
Mga pagkakapos ko. Mga wakuha na tangkay.
Harap lang, pero
Hindi ko nalang.
hindi na ano.
Yung strawberry.
This is good. I like this. Ano, parang tulad yung mga burger. May mozzarella.
Chicken, spicy chicken mozzarella. Yung kadagol na. Ano niya ka na eh?
Uy. Wait lang, the Cajun sauce.
Diba?
Where's the Cajun sauce? Saan kasi
Lagay mo na.
ulit? Sa? Sa chicken?
Ano naman yun eh?
Eh,
Yung pulse. Ay, magkano yung bilita mo? So mura.
at ka na susok.
Ano ba yung
Chicken.
goods niya? Bulgogi. Patay pulse.
Nakalaha.
Yan yung kalasa rin
Nakalaha.
Coleslaw.
Tikman nyo.
May lapis pa. It's good. Kung namin kami itong chicken. Ay, nakalasa yung chicken.
Mas malasa yung chicken sa atin. Parang bland yan.
Yung crunchiness. Ang chicken, di katamo peppery niya.
Yung pepper din.
Parang ang dami ng
Pepper.
Parang ang dami ng parang ang dami ng seasoning sa atin.
Nano yung favorite view?
Wala.
Okay ako to.
Parang hindi naman kasi siya
Chicken.
nag-seasoning.
Nasa bagay.
Yung mozzarella. Diyos ko, magkano yan? 200 yan yan. No. Sauce niya pala.
Bakit hindi niyo pinapansin yung bulgogi? Bakit to?
Ito yung pinakamasarap. Spicy chicken. offer.
Walang cut to. Ang bilis natin kumain. Patapos na tayo 5 minutes lang.
5 minutes? Bye guys. Opo niya.
Parang di tayo umuhuya. 5 minutes lang tayo kumain.
Pakita mo yung view. Pepaki ko ni. Let's go.
Oh, pag ganito pa.
Ayan. Tara, open the door. Ooh. So we are here at Myeongdong. Look at the food. True. Okay. Oy, nanong mo muna tang i-try. Look at the food. Ay, doon daw kami. What? Go. Nano? Walo ko. Aray. May sipik ko corn dog. Itang something special naman. Uy, may pusit. Try natin yun.
ng ganito.
So this is our last stop for today.
Tama na.
Last stop.
Ako last stop.
No ka rin tawari ka niyan. Yung dong. So, food trip again. So, laters. So, that concludes day 1. Kabisiyo. Na? Wala mong kaka-open na pa ng aircon. Ready to sleep. Hi guys, good morning. It's day 2. And we're going to the Nami Islands. Island lang pala. Nami Island. Nang naka-DIY. We'll try commuting from here. We are at Dongdaemun, going to the Nami Island. So, samahan nyo kami today. Laters. So, we are here at the Seoul Station. We'll be buying tickets. Going to
Nami Island.
Judy Bear. Let's go. Ganders. Let's go. 14. Ne. Ay, mag-walk kayo. Ooh. So we're going to the Nami Island using train yata guys. So basta from Seoul Station, KTX, then we'll see later anong next. Let's go. So eto na kami sa train with my friends.
Hi.
Kakain muna kami dahil kami gutom na. This is my food from the convenience store. So we arrive at the Gapyeong station. Well, taking I don't know, papunta sa may ferry station. Okay, let's go. We're here at the Gapyeong station. Si Arla pa pala. Welcome to Gapyeong. Bus na kami papuntang terminal again. So let's go to the Nami Islands finally. May discount.
System and protect animals. We kindly ask you to refrain.
We're going to take the ferry ride. Let's go, let's go. Namidun. Let's go to the Nami. Ooh, it's raining. Namidun. Let's go to the Nami. Ooh, it's raining. So we are now inside the ferry with these two.
Alam naman, may iba kang kasama.
Wala kahapon, kami lang naman hanggang matapos.
Sa tingin view yung kay Gulot?
Yes. With the salbabida.
Hindi, tomorrow may...
We're here. It's raining. Let's go, let's go. Look guys, umulan. So wala kaming choice kung hindi bumili ng raincoat. So we bought this raincoat because it's raining. It's raining. So wala kaming choice kung hindi mag-raincoat today. Look. So we can explore the Nami Island. Let's go! Guys, look at the view. It's so
Sobrang
beautiful.
ganda. Umuulan na yan.
Umuulan lang ha. Ganda sana mag-picture dun, no? Kaso, we can't. It's raining. But it's okay. We are enjoying the view. And there are a lot of views here.
The view is...
The views is viewing. Amazing. Later. True. Asan siya? There's a... Here. So we are here at the Nami Island. And it's raining! This is our first stop. The ostrich. Something. Ay, ang cute ng squirrel. May naulunan yung mga ostrich. Pero meron silang bahay doon. Baka trip lang nilang Hey, lalaway na ako, friend! Ah, sorry. Tinitignan niya ako. Oh, let's go.
So let's go around the island. Let's go. So we're done with the ostriches. Now, we are here at the Crystal Beach. Zambales. Inulan lang guys, but the island, it's very nice.
So before coming here, you should check the weather. Kasi kami, hindi kami nag-check. Nag-wrong kami. Ano yun? Edit ko na lang. Okay na siya. We are so wet. We're going back to our hotel na muna to change. Umulan. Nasaan na yung mga kasama ko? Let's go. Nanta kasi mo ta, friend? Guanjang. So magfo-food trip na lang kami sa Guanjang. Because it's raining. It's been raining in Korea pala. Later na lang sa food crawl. Buyers. Last stop for today, we'll eat, guys. Ooh, so yummy. Nakarinta mo kasi, friend. Guanjang. Guanjang pala, Guanjang. Octopus. Octopus. So we'll find something to eat first. So in our Guanjang experience, yay, fruit drink.
Yung rice lang.
So we are here at the Lotte World Aquarium.